So गाना लगा अगर remix होए, if you made something for this Australian tour, something for an Australian nightclub, they want to see something different.
उसके लिए आपको वेट करना पड़ेगा.
Wait करना पड़ेगा. So
Surprise.
In This Age is covering this, and hopefully In This Age is going to be waking up the Australian nightlife and waking up the economy, because we're hopefully getting into a new government. So we need to wake up our nightlife, need to wake up our tourism. Australians love Bollywood, not only just Indians, but expats, Pakistani, Bangladeshi, Sri Lankans, Afghanis, they love Bollywood. Lebanese, Italian, Greeks love Bollywood. Diwali has become one of the most signature celebrations of our festivals in Australia. So it's one of the most.
प्रतीक कहते हैं आग लगेगी, आग लगाने आ रहे हैं.
प्रतीक के शहर में हमेशा आग लगती है फर्स्ट में.
अरे सर आप लोग का प्यार है तभी ये पीढ़ी आ रही सर. अब नाम मेरे विक्रम भी है तो अब तो और अब the biggest celebrity sitting just beside us, so definitely आग लगनी है.
And truly, Pratik, thank you very much for getting this to Perth as well, because there's very few events from the Indian film industry and Bollywood as well. So you guys
सर
are
पहली
shining
बार
out.
होने जा रहा है मीट एंड ग्रीट पर्थ के इतिहास में, पर्थ वेस्टर्न ऑस्ट्रेलिया के इतिहास में आज तक ऐसा मीट एंड ग्रीट नहीं हुआ जहाँ पे बॉलीवुड सितारों के साथ में इस तरीके से ये चीज हो. तो इट्स द फर्स्ट टाइम सर, and it's the first time praise, and thank you for accepting the beautiful proposal, शेफाली जी and मुकेश ऋषि जी. And पोस्टर में देखे मैं बोल सकता हूँ गुलशन जी and आशीष विद्यार्थी जी as well. Moving टिक करा देना भाई. Definitely.
So we're going to be in Melbourne with our first event on the 30th. 31st is going to be in Sydney.
Sydney.
And then, of course, coming to your beautiful city of Perth
Absolutely,
on
sir.
the 1st of June. That's going to be one big party as well. So Sydney, Melbourne, and Perth is going to be great. And of course, when you're talking about Sona Cats, the Catwoman.
Yes, the cat, the Sonali Katyal in the house.
So we've got North and we've got South on the turntables.
Oh my God, look at that. Turntables, the disc jockey's gonna rock this time.
Sonali, your parties are wild and it's crazy. What is it that you do? Can you create some amazing magic in Australia?
Of course, yes. And many more surprises, so you have to wait for that.
We're all going to be waiting, guys, ladies and gentlemen. So once again, thank you to making this happen, and thank you for this beautiful evening and having us over here from Australia, and to all the media partners and everyone that has come through as well. So thank you, our Australian media partners, In This Age, Minu and Rajeshi. Once again, thank you very much for covering this, and we cannot wait for the party to get started. You guys want to add something to that?
Sir ji, आग लगेगी बस अब तो इंतजार है कि कब
I
लैंड
want to
होगी.
add something.
Oh, she definitely, of course. Take your mind.
I was thinking to myself that what is it that I was very excited about this tour because I've been touring for 20 years now, and this concept is very unique to me. So when the proposal came to me, I didn't know what is it that I could bring to the table. You know, because with these bad boys here, you know, but then I got so excited. मैंने सोचा कि why not I rub on some dancing energy on them, and they can rub on some badass energy on me. And that is something new for the audience, and I think it'll be a lot of fun for me, for them, as well as the audience. So I think that is the dhamaka, and I think impromptu बहुत ही मजा आएगा. These villains who look bad on screen are actually a lot of fun guys. They are. They've seen so much in life. उनसे बस आप बातें करते जाओ और ऐसे लगे कि बस conversations खत्म ही ना हो. So it's a lot of fun to meet with them, to talk to them, and with that we have little Bollywood music, dancing, tadka. I think that's the perfect combination. This show is going to rock.
It's going to be great, and Australia is waiting for this party because this has not happened in a very long time.
That's true.
So we're looking to wake up our beautiful continent and our country with some Bollywood spices and some bad boys of Bollywood, and of course our diva and some phenomenal DJs.
Absolutely. And sir, I would like to disclose the venues and everything so that the entire, because we are live from Australia as well. Everybody's watching us at the moment. Yes, we are live in
Hello,
Australia.
Australia.
Australia से हम live हैं अभी. Thank you. So 30 तारीख को आगाज होने वाला है मेलबर्न में हेरिटेज क्लब, and 31st को सिडनी में वहाँ पर भी एक बहुत बड़ा आगाज होने वाला है, and that's going to be at the Paravilla. Am I right, Jazir bhai?
That's right. Yep. Parabella and Parramatta.
और फिर प्रॉपर आग लगेगी पर्थ में जो मेरा और विक्रम का शहर है, और उस जगह पे प्रॉपर विलनगिरी, प्रॉपर एंट्री, प्रॉपर धमाका होगा. That's for sure. And वो वेन्यू भी बहुत प्यारा है. It's a Mulberry Estate. and साथ ही साथ में it's in the middle of the winery and a beautiful ocean and everything. So बस stay tuned करिए. बाकी मैं मुकेश ऋषि जी सर से बोलना चाहूँगा कि सर आप कुछ बोलना चाहें तो that would be very great. आपको हमेशा सुनना, बस हम सुनने ही रहते हैं. Please.
Well, आपने सब बोल ही दिया है और ऑस्ट्रेलिया को अलग भी कर दिया हमने. We are coming.
आज ऑस्ट्रेलिया में कोई भी सुनेगा तो late night Australia and the villains have woken the city up. We are excited.
Absolutely, Jaisal bhai.
I don't think we're going to be sleeping for the 3 days because meet and greet happens in Melbourne and then it's the after party because Niharika is
Niharika and Sonali, they both, yeah, of course.
So I think we're going to go straight to the airport from the club, breakfast on the way, back to the city of Melbourne. Melbourne, Sydney, Perth.
And then Perth.
That's it.
Absolutely. It's gonna be back-to-back shows, but maza aayega.
We look forward to seeing you guys in Australia also very soon through Bollywood, cricket, entertainment, and whatever it is. It's a beautiful country that we live in, but of course we'd love to thank all our beautiful people in India that are over here and supporting us in our projects as well. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, Bikram and PDR International are bringing to you a very unique concept with the 3 villains and a diva with some of the top DJs, and this is going to be a great start to a beautiful tour. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, everyone.
चल एक गुम कर देते हैं. Ready guys?
किसको करना है ये बताओ? सामने चलो.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Boom!
There you go.
One more. चलो जी, one more. 1, 2, 3, go. Boom! और ठीक है.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. आप सबका बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
See you.
Thank you.
Everyone. Execute करते हैं सर को.